Hello everyone, welcome to Travel, Food and Lifestyle. Who does not love food? Today we are going to review one of the Arabic restaurants in Sunway Pyramid Mall called Dar Al-Arab. It's an Arabic restaurant which serves delicious food with an amazing interior. Let's go and explore this restaurant with us. So this is the main entrance of Dar Al-Arab. Previously it used to be called TARBUSH Restaurant, but the new name is Dar Al-Arab. Let's go inside and explore the interior of this restaurant. As I said, it's really beautifully decorated, and especially once you enter, you will feel you are somewhere in the Middle East with the beautiful interior and things from the Arab world. Another thing about this restaurant is they serve shisha as well. So for all shisha lovers, this is one of the places to come and enjoy. You can see nice paintings and different artifacts from Middle Eastern world. Even the tables really make you feel that you are somewhere in Dubai or Mecca. Nice colorful couches for you to feel comfortable. That's the cashier, that's where you pay. The good thing is they also have a sitting outside. So when the weather is good, especially in the evenings, you can sit outside and enjoy the cool breeze. Especially if you do shisha, I'm sure you will enjoy sitting outside. Really colorful couches makes your mood really happening. Especially in the evening, the view from this place is so nice. You will see the lights all around you. They have a good sitting capacity. Possibly around 100 people can sit at one time. And you can see the shishas are getting ready for the customers to enjoy it. Another good thing about Tarbush or Dar Al-Arab is that they make really amazing breads, and you can request the waiters to bring directly hot bread from the oven. They have live music in the evenings, which has been started recently. Amazing lights, especially in the evening. As I said, you will feel somewhere in Middle East. So in the daytime, you can hear the noise from the Sunway Lagoon, the shout of the people enjoying the rides. That's what you see when you're sitting outside at Dar Al-Arab, the Arabic restaurant. Again, just to recap, we are at Sunway Pyramid Mall in Sunway City, and we are reviewing and exploring the Arabic restaurant Dar Al-Arab, which serves really delicious food. So you can see the delicious food we have ordered. I'm going to eat all of this alone. Just kidding. So you can see this is meze platter 2, which has salads, hummus and baba ganoush with falafel in the center. We have also ordered separately falafel, and you can see the falafel comes with tahini sauce. That sauce makes falafel really delicious. And the bread, the food is incomplete without this amazing bread, which comes directly from the oven. The salads are really amazing, especially the tabbouleh and fatoush. The one on the left, the green, is tabbouleh, and the one on the right is fatoush. Here comes the main course. Shish tauk, the chicken pieces, really juicy and really nicely grilled. It comes with grilled green chili, French fries on the side, and onion with parsley. That really makes it delicious. I feel really hungry now. Again, just to show the delicious food at Dar Al-Arab Sunway Pyramid Mall. Alright, I hope you are ready. Let me try the first bite and tell you what would be my review of Dar Al-Arab in terms of taste of the food. So let's see how is the taste. I'm trying some salad, which is tabbouleh, along with some salad, which is fatoush, and hummus. And let's see. Ready? Really good. I like it. After the delicious food, what do you want? Really good hot tea, and that's what I have in front of me. A definite, highly recommended Arabic mint tea is in front of me. I'm going to have it and tell you how it is. Let's see. Amazing, really nice. A definite must and highly recommended Arabic mint tea.